Little Voices Concert! Mamaya na po!
Oh my gosh! Bumili na ba kayo ng ticket? Bili na kayo!
May gloves din ako. Nag-iingat na ako eh. Nandito pa ako eh.
Okay po ba yung mga kanta namin?
Sumayaw na kayo!
Thank you po. Thank you po. Talagang papagalan po kami dito sa first day. Nag-enjoy po kami. Saan tayo pumunta? Sa Gold Coast?
Good host.
Yung sa
Samba. Nandito po kami sa first grade. Kristen. Kristen.
Nagkawin talaga.
Kristen.
And maraming salamat din po sa mga nag-sponsor. Ayan. And of course, ang producer po namin, Tita Letty de Sacola. Ayun. Yes. De Sacola Productions. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you po.
And we would also like to thank the following. Max Workshop, Buffet Entertainment,
SNBC.
Computer 101, Seared by Jessica Aguirre. Light
Up. Coco-Mango.
Light It Up, Best Friend Cafe de Manila. Ayun. Maria Pau,
Kapamilya.
ALG, and Professional Soap. Ayan. And Kalunggol. Tama po ba yun? Ayun. Fast Cash. And Hardcore Ashley. And Miss Lolit Bumandino. And Dr. Lorraine Dentist. Jen's Balloon. Bodega Grill. Century Property. Ayan. Kabahan and Friends. Sophia's Sport Cafe. And E-Talent International sila po nagdala po sa amin dito. So palakpakan po natin sila. And of course,
Nagkakalit po ng papasalamat din po kami sa mga fans namin.
Yes.
Sa mga Light Electrics.
yeah, dahil natin salamat po. We love you guys. And we're coming out here. Ayun.
Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore.
Let it go, let it go. Turn my back and slam my door.
Let it go, let it go. The cold never bound me anyway. The snow blows right on my tonight. Let a good breath to be seen. I picked up my vacillations, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this whirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried.
Be the good boy you always have to be. So you don't feel I'm letting go.
would bother me anyway. It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small, and the fears that once control me, they're meant to be at all. Up here in that broken air, I finally can breathe. I know I left a lot behind, but I'm too late to breathe. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. So my love is on my own, and here I stand, and here I stand. Let it go, let it go. Don't let it bother me anyway. Stop me frozen, keep my love frozen. You are my me, nobody behind me. Carry me this Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Till my mind is on the ground. And here I stand, and here I stand. Let it go, let it go. Don't let it bother me
Hello po, ako po si Laika.
Naman po si Darren. Abangan niyo po kami sa March.
Sa March 27 po
Ngayon
yan.
po sa Sydney, nasa St. Mary's Band Club po kami at sa
March 28.
Yan, nasa Melbourne naman po kami sa Millennium Reception Hall. Ayun po. So, sana po, pumunta po kayo. And nakita-next po tayo dyan. Bye!
Bye, see you there! Bye, si Laika.
Ako naman po si Darren. Magkita-kits po tayo bukas sa Adelaide sa Norwood Concert Hall at
7 p.m. po yan.
yes, so magkita-kita po tayo and we'll have a lot of fun. Thank you po,
See you,
Adelaide.
see you, see
Bye!
you, see you. Bye.
Hello po, salamat po sa support and balita ko po nag-iipon po kayo para po sa concert ko, especially po yung mga bata. So, I'd like to thank you for that and don't forget to go to school and